The indicator is working a little bit because I bypassed a jumper wire. It's piece of crap, literally. Nothing works. Only this thing. Left indicator is shorting to ground. I don't know why. I have new ignition. Power is from a Russian. I don't know, power supply. I don't know how to call it. I'm just sitting here for about month, 2 months. Looks great, everything. Yeah, it has power. I was checking it out. I don't know, maybe here it got power. Maybe here. Yeah, it got power. Here it's showing me something. See it? No. There is nothing. No, hey, it's after the CDI. This ignition. I don't know. There is some voltage, just a little bit. Here is a little bit. I don't know. Maybe someone knows what's the problem. Here I got nothing. I just checked everything and it's showing me something here. I don't know what the number is. Maybe someone could pause. Yeah, this was shorting to ground. Yeah, someone just put the battery wire. There was no battery here and ground here, and when you break it will short the circuit. There is this